Here is the correct way on how to crop a video or an image in Premiere Pro. Go to the Effects panel and search for the crop effect. Drag it onto your footage that's in your timeline. Then head over to the Effect Controls panel, and right here under the crop effect, you can mess for example with the left side setting, the top one, the right side, and the bottom one to pretty much crop up your video. Or I should say crop down your video. Let's say that we want to crop the video down to focus solely on our subject. We can do that, and then we can hit this zoom option to kind of zoom in on our subject. Oh, that was a little weird. Let's undo that real quick. You can also add some edge feathers onto it, which is pretty cool. Or you can simply crop down every edge so they all have the same value, like a 10% value for example. Also, before you go, another cool trick that you can do when we're dealing with cropping is we can click directly on, let's say, the left edge option, and once we do that, a blue border should appear on our project monitor. All we have to do next to add a precise crop to our footage is to move these blue lines wherever we want with our mouse cursor. So yeah, if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also, feel free to check out this next tutorial.